guys, just popping in to say hello. Making dinner. I had a craving, even in this heat, for soup. So I put some turkey. I cooked some turkey up with some onions in there, with some salt and some turmeric in a soup pan. I put some water, some tomato, some jalapeno. What else I put in there? Tomato, onion, jalapeno, tomato, carrots. I did about a tablespoon of turmeric. I had some oregano, salt, and pepper. I wish I had whole garlic. I would have put that in there. So that's what I'm having for dinner. Some soup. And I can't wait. I'm starving. And it's not going to have cheese or sour cream in it. Or maybe a little sour cream. Oh, and some cabbage, but I don't put the cabbage in and the cilantro until right before I serve it. So I put that in, let the cabbage cook for about 5 minutes. And then I add this cilantro. Watch and Leave It to Beaver. I recorded all kinds of good stuff. Leave It to Beaver, I Love Lucy, Happy Days, Three's Company. So I'm excited. Last weekend I burnt my knees at the beach. So I'm like, itches. My knees, itches. For dessert, what am I having for dessert? I'm going to have some of that mixed berries with a little bit of Cool Whip. A little bit. So that's what I'm doing. What cannoli? Cannoli! Liz, mama. Do yummy? Say hi. She's such a faithful doggy, and I love her so much. Yes, I do. I love all kinds of old shows. Like, I should have been born in those times. Whether it been the 50s, the 40s, anything before the 50s. Because I feel at home. Like I'm in the Old West. I feel at home. If, I'm just really into antiques and, I don't know. It's like home. That's the best way I can explain it. Home. Like I'm at home with that stuff.
Because yes, David Bell asked Peggy Mishner what your name was. If she asked what my name was, I moved right over there.
Love, Leave It to Beaver.
She smiled at you. And she smiled at all of us.
Alright, well, I don't want to bore you guys.
Didn't she, Tui? You know I won't go over.
My mouth is watering. For my turmeric soup.
Listen, Wally, if you're scared of girls, just
say ground turkey.
I'm not scared of girls.
Ground turkey.
I talked to her just
My sunburn itches.
Dorothy Peterson wasn't over there.
Alright, Toodle Noodles. I'm not going to say Toodle Noodles because I'll record more later. Love you guys. Half heart. Other half. Love you. Doodles. Mwah.
You're a chicken.
Oh, I don't like to stop it. Yeah, I do. I'm going to stop it. I'm a dork. Bye. Just popping on to show you what's in this soup. We have olives, radish, jalapenos. We have meat, onions, cabbage, tomato, turmeric, cilantro. So that is what is for dinner. It's a soup, a hearty soup. Just wanted to pop in and show you. I'm eating my soup. And who would have thought? Who would have thought that olives would taste good in soup? I didn't cook it in the soup. I just put it on as garnish. Yum. Got the tomato, the turkey, the potatoes. I caved and I did like a pinch of cheese. Just a pinch though. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Gonna be really good with this. Some bread and butter. Not gonna do it though. Jalapenos. So good.
With the Home Advisor app, it's easy and free to find home pros for any project, whether it's a simple repair, an installation, or a major remodel.
Some onion and carrot.
What you need, and Home Advisor matches you with background check pros. You can compare prices, read verified reviews, and book an appointment online. Plus, Home Advisor is always free to use. Go to homeadvisor.com or download the free app.
Yum. I'm gonna finish my soup. I was gonna share with you. See you in a little bit.